show me a little bit broke chord?
Okay. Which one? Two.
Yeah. Or if you want to just
Yeah.
right hand, I don't know. Broken.
Oh yeah.
Yes. And the first inversion. Yes, good. Second inversion. Yes, and back to the original. Oops. No. Just from the C.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Yes, good. Can you show me a little bit the left hand?
Okay.
Good. Can you carry on? Yes, good, very nice. And can you one more octave?
Okay.
Yes. Yes, good. Last one. And C major. Yes. When you play, you can much more confident. Yes, because you played very well. Yes, just much more confident. And at home, you could have exercise and practice play these broken chords by two hands. So you can firstly just maybe practice the left hand first, and you can choose the 5 times and 8 times as much as possible, and then the right hand also. And later you could choose maybe a suitable tempo to play the two hands played together. But make sure the fingering is very suitable for each chord, because especially for the original version, because we have the 2/3 between the one chord, right? And so we choose the 1, 2, 3, 5 is better. But if the chord is turned to the first inversion, we can choose the 1, 2, 5 to play the chords, because we have a fourth between the two notes, right? If also you can use the 3, but you need to stretch your hands, so maybe the hand a little bit nervous.
Okay.
So use the 4th finger is much better.
Okay.
And the second inversion also, we can use the 1, 2, 3, 5, because we have a 2, 3 here, so just a third between the chord. And we go back to the original. And the left hand also. For my opinion, use the finger 4 to play the 1, 2, 3, 4. It's much better. And then it depends on your hand size.
Okay.
Yes, size, because I prefer I prefer use the finger 3 when the interval is second or third. But if I meet the interval is fourth and the fifth, I will choose the finger 4 or finger 5. Okay. So can you show me a little bit?
Okay.
So just 1 octave. Yes. And yeah, very good. And the last one. It's C major. How about C major? Yes, good. Yes. So you can practice at home and use my approach.
Okay.
I think you can be put a schedule. Okay. I don't mind just for this one. Okay. Like this. And before you done this very well, and you can maybe write another part for warm-up exercise. And for left hand, play the practice 15 minutes or 10 minutes and together. So maybe the writing is like this, but just have another part.
For my practice one.
Yes. So, and Monday, Tuesday, the schedule is very, very good. So carry on to do this, and I think it will much helpful.
Okay.
And then, can you show me a little bit the piece?
Okay.
This one. Well done. It's much better than last time you played, and maybe the first line and the second line is very good, and but maybe the ending, you trying to getting slower. Yes, and a little bit careless for the music, because sometimes you will play the wrong octave. So sometimes like this, but the music is right down. Yes, but although they are the same note, but not the same register, so you must be very, very careful for the read the music.
Okay.
And sometimes you know the notes, the position, but you play the wrong. It's so like not very fluent, and not smooth. And when you practice, you should as much as possible to make sure each part is like very smooth. And you can practice just the left hand first, but don't stop in the middle. Yes, like here. Here, yes, we ending here, and the music is repeat. So you need to prepare before.
Okay.
Yes, prepare before and look for the next note. And then can you tell me your thinking?
Oh, you know, it's confusing when you go back to where, cause like when I look at that, I feel like go like I get confused. So that's why I stop in the middle of the music.
Yes, because we have a repeat marking here, and also we have a repeat marking here. And you confused from here. You must be from the top or middle, right? Yes. Because we already repeat 2 times for the first section, so it means here we just from the this part and repeat from the beginning, and then ending here this one section, and the second section is start from the third line, and we going, and we have a first section here and repeat, so we passed this one. We must, because we also have a repeat marking from here, so you just place this line again, not from the beginning. Yes. But yes, when you play the second times, you must be skip the first and skip to the second, and like an ending. And can you tell me for this? Yes, here. How do you practice?
I first like do the right hand, and then I add in the left one.
Because the rhythm is a syncopated rhythm, so when you count the beat, you need to very careful. Ba, ba, ba. Because I think the last time you will be a little bit miss the beat, but this time it's much better. So you can catch each beat for each position, and especially the left hand, the last note is later than the right hand. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I think the beat is much better. The rhythm, yes. and can. Yes, and you can see there the pattern is the same, just change the harmony. Yes. Can you play again, but without repeat?
Okay.
But as much as fluent.
Okay.
Don't maybe look for the notes and very careful for the music.
Okay.
Yes, I think another problem is your fingering. Your fingering is wrong, so you always stop the music.
Yeah.
Yes, you can see before I write down the fingering here, so you must be follow this fingering as much as possible, because the